What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday. You'll probably see this like midweek because I got so many videos to upload. What's up, Kennedy?
Hello.
Dang, looking good today. So we're gonna go watch the test and tune at Amarillo Dragway today. It's finally open. They redid the shutdown. So before it was like gravel, as you saw in some of my old videos, but before we go there, we got to ship off my old 1050 injectors. I call them old, but they only had, I think, less than 200 miles. Actually, I just advertised it as 200 miles just to go on the safe side. But yeah, it's definitely less than 200 miles. But shout out to Felix for buying those. I'm shipping those off right now. It's Saturday. And then we're going to head over to Test and Tune, kind of just see what everyone's running. Obviously, my car won't be out because I still need to get it retuned for the parts I'm installing. So we're gonna ship these injectors off, and then we'll head over to the Test and Tune. Alright, so it looks fairly busy for the first Test and Tune. We're gonna meet up with Branson, and he's not running his car because his transmission's about to go kaboom. Yes, kaboom. Should we race the F-150?
I think we should race the Jetta.
We should. I don't think they'd allow the Jetta. It's too fast.
Do you remember?
All right, we're gonna paint it. Yeah, if you heat those up, they're fucked. Yeah. Sounds like he's taking drag radials on the back because he's running a smaller wheel on the back. That's what I would look like if I don't get my skinnies. But you're at the drag strip, don't matter. Damn, that Busa though, fuck. God. Mustang. The only Mustang I actually like. Sorry, Austin. This is the only Mustang I like. Sorry, Austin. Jacob wins. Okay, Kennedy. Jacob's Mustang or Austin's?
Sorry, Austin.
Right there, the white one. The white F-150. Look at that beast. Alright, so we're headed out. We didn't stay for too long, just wanted to see a couple cars run. And still gotta go wire my other part for the car today, which I'll make a separate video on that. But we're gonna go see Strangers 2 at what, 7:20? The original Strangers, The Strangers, was a pretty good movie. It's a scary movie. I don't really like scary movies because, you know.
Hold your hand.
He's gonna hold my hand, sick. But so we're headed out, but it's always good to come to the local track, you know, pay admission to support them so they can make the track better. That's the only way they'll make it better, is by having funds. So if you guys are around Amarillo, I encourage you to come to the track and just support it. And it can only get better from here because there's new owners. So yeah, well, that's pretty cool. Saw a couple buddies. Branson didn't run because his car's a piece of shit, so he needs a new transmission. But he thinks he's getting a Hellcat, but it's Branson. So Branson, when you watch this, maybe you'll have a Hellcat by then.
I doubt it.
Probably not. Or a new transmission. Probably not that either. So we're gonna go see the movie. Hopefully you guys enjoyed a couple of the cars that I showed run. And sorry, Austin, but Jacob kills your Mustang. And we're out.
Follow me, Van V39 on everything.
Everything. Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter.
Just kidding, scratch that. Unfollow him on everything and follow Kennedy McCall.
And that's gonna do it.